you think, Senator, si former Commissioner Lumagi, kaya siya nawala dito sa kanyang posisyon because of this alleged extortion dyan sa BIR? You think may kinalaman to?
I really do not know what the reason was why he was replaced, no? Just before the budget hearings. But probably big possibility, Angela, no, and Diego, because of the, as I've said, there are really numerous complaints already for the past 2 years that I have been receiving, and I'm sure that a lot of this has already reached the top officials. You know, I ride my motorcycle, I go to Visayas, to Mindanao, and then I get to talk to some business people. It's the same complaint all over. It's not only in Metro Manila. So it's really widespread already. Okay. And I think this really has to stop. It's sad that we are already facing one of the darkest moments in history with the floodgate scandal, the biggest corruption
Tapos eto
in our history. Tapos meron na naman to, BIR naman. So parang hawa-hawa na itong culture of corruption. So this really has to stop.
If it's widespread, Senator, across the regions, do you think may isang grupo dito sa main office that is running this? Or it's just a coincidence na may kanya-kanya silang racket per area?
You know what I think about this, Diego, Angela, no? It's parang leadership by example na ito. If they hear that in the past 2-3 years, some of the leaders are living grandiose, extravagant lifestyles. We heard of, ito, mga contractors having 25%, 30% kickbacks.
Yes.
So si DPWH siguro, sabi niya, bakit sila lang? Di kami rin. No? Nakita ni BIR, bakit sila lang? Di kami rin. So it has become already a culture already the past 2 to 3 years. So if the central office knows this, I'm sure they have received information because it's too widespread, and a lot of people have been complaining, and even the foreign investors already are complaining. So whether Commissioner Lumagi acted on it or did not act on it, that we have to find out in case there will be a Blue Ribbon Committee hearing on the said issue.